Hey guys, what's up? So today is going to be a cool day. I'm actually in my closet right now because I'm about to start getting ready for a party that I am doing. If you follow Team Mowry's Quick Fix, you will know that I absolutely love throwing themed parties. So today, or tonight, we are actually throwing a Scarface party. This is one of my husband's favorite movies. So basically what we did was we rented out this huge theater that we're gonna put in the backyard. I have some pillows, kind of like with the Cuban kind of style theme. We're gonna have Cuban food. We're all gonna be dressed in like Cubana style, and we're gonna have drinks and we're gonna have a lot of fun. All right, you guys, let's get this party started. Somebody's excited. Get it. You guys, let me tell you, so we're working on the party here. Wait, hold on. Yeah. We're working on a party here, and the theme is, you know, Scarface Cuban. He's gonna bring some cow-looking. These are cows. But they look like cows, Corey, like cows.
Gotta get the
that doesn't. Oh Lord, you guys, look at these socks.
Get the chains. Y'all know that swag. Get all that. So listen, we're having a Scarface party. And we need extra seating.
No, but Corey, these look like cows. This is Scarface. This is not Scarface, Corey.
So let's make it happen.
This is my outfit. It kind of reminded me of Michelle Pfeiffer's, like when she wore this kind of really nice silk dress. I think it was like blue or a teal or something. So I'm gonna be wearing this outfit. It's a pantsuit. Oh my God, party madness. Okay, introduce yourself.
Kid Zachary, makeup.
Introduce yourself. Shana 818 hair. So they're gonna be doing my hair and my makeup today to fit the theme, and let's make some magic, right? Okay, you guys, so I am halfway done, not completely done. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good out here. So I just want to show you what's going on. There's the screen, which is really cool. So I have my pillows here, which kind of goes with the theme. And then this is really cool because once it gets kind of cool outside, all of the guests can wrap themselves. Here are the cool kind of rustic tables that I was telling you about. And then we have some flowers here. And then we have a little guest here already. Cairo, you're like blending in with the, oh, what are you doing? She has on her cute little outfit that matches the theme, you guys. She's just hanging out. You hanging out, buddy? You hanging out? We have the pillows. We have some cool tulips over here. Y'all, there goes those things that Corey put. We have the popcorn station. Guess who this is? Who? This camera feels really close to me, Cree.
This is my mother.
Okay, you guys, my hair and my makeup is done. This looks beautiful. Thank you so much, kid.
High five.
High five.
You look gorgeous. She's ready to party.
I am ready to party. So this is my outfit. I have my hair done, my makeup, and this is very Michelle Pfeiffer inspired. So, yeah. Taylor, say hi. This is for Team Mowry's Quick Fix. What's up? First family member. There, okay, look at Tegan, guys. Hey! Tegan is channeling Michelle Pfeiffer as well. Look at her hair and her makeup. She looks so beautiful.
Tony! I'm gonna reenact all the moments from the movies today.
Yay! Fabulous. Okay, you guys, so you know how I'm always talking about Jessica Lasky? This is my best friend. Say hi, Jessica. She's actually going to be doing a video with us. So yay! In the comments below, why don't you ask me and Jessica some questions that you want us to answer? What's up? Are you enjoying the party so far?
Yeah, just got here.
And look, he's in theme.
I tried.
You did a great job. All right, you guys, so we got the popcorn going. We have the bar over here. We're gonna have some cool pina coladas going on. Oh, look, y'all, look who's in the pool. Corey, are you still in the pool? You got your chains on?
Well, I'm out there. Neil here, Big Rich here.
Oh my gosh, you guys, he's working out in the pool. Okay, you guys, we have the tapas bar here. Look at this. This looks amazing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's see. Well, we have some olives, we have some carrots, we have some tomatoes, we have some shrimp, we have some cheese, and then all of these are like different bean dips. Cheese, a fresh guacamole cart. Look at that. So good. All right, you guys, I'm putting this camera down and enjoying myself.